So we're down here because why not? First thing I see, this slide. I'm gonna go get this kid though. Oh wait, shoot, it's not that fast. It's not that fast. You like the slide? No? Why not? It is kind of slow. I thought it'd be faster. You want to say hey to my vlog? What's your name? Is that your buddy up there? Want to say hey? I don't know what he said. It sounded like a whisper of death, but I'm here with Walker. Gonna mess around and see what there is. Bested me.
Wanna go make some s'mores?
Good. Trying to find something to do, but a little busy right now, so I think we're gonna go get in there. No one's at it. We'll wake up early in the morning, probably get going. I'll bring you guys along with me. Bring the camera at least. Should be fun. OVO, Drake from the 6. Got to keep it up from the last video if you watched it. Make sure to go check that out.
Like the,
ready, Bo?
the beginning of the mountain.
Yeah. Ready, Christian?
For sure.
Ready? Let's get this bread, as Kaden Mullins would say. Winds up for the count. Oh, it almost drills him right in the ankle. 5 minutes in and I'm already whooped. Not bad though, not bad. Sponsor me, Spider-Man. I am Sir Henry the Fourth. This is an aspen. You can tell it's an aspen because of the way it is. Alright, sure had to come off. I feel like I'm in an Arizona survival situation. Well, it's hot out here. But the views are nice, so it's good.
Come find me, I won't be here waiting. Our soul can do it alone. You're not worth staying. Friends listening, but now there's no way you won't hear. There's a voice emerging and then there's so loud and clear. I'll turn it up like a turn me down. I'm not afraid.
Okay guys, so we're like walking by the falls right now and I was really hot, but the falls are up there. Yeah, I'm not in the best spot to see them right now, but it is pretty cold because like the mist shoots out from it. But it feels good though, so I have no clue why I just told you that. My vlogs are terrible. Having fun there, buddy? Hey, little guy. Hey, buddy. Guys, we made it. I've had no food. I need food. Beef jerky hasn't tasted so good. Got my PB&J too.
Hey, go,
Hello, guy.
go. What beer you got a beer?
Alright guys, last night I just turned off my camera, my battery died and I didn't feel like recording anymore. We're in the sequoia forest, I don't know, it has a bunch of big trees. Made it, guys. What does he have to say?
He has to say nothing.
Quick backflip for the vlog. Mom's probably gonna freak out. Wow, score!
What is he doing?
This is an aspen. Oh. You can tell it's an aspen because of the way it is. Hey Julie, heard you got that drip, 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 drip.
Drip, 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 drip.
Something for my wrist, 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 wrist.
Wrist, 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 wrist.
Alright guys, we're about to check out. Me and Carson played some games this morning and I absolutely whooped them. So he's coming back for a little comeback, I think. Aren't you? But yeah, I beat him in ping pong, shuffleboard game. There's hockey in there. I whooped him in that though. Go on. I don't mess around with my pong, boys. I'm an all-time spiker. You guys can't tell me these things aren't the best. They're so good. Alright guys, had to win that game of ping pong real quick. I think I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Little Frank here. Subscribe and like. And I'm out. Peace.